Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Mike's little playground of whatnot and so on and so forth. I'm going to take you on a little excursion here with the video that you're about to that I'll put on the end of this. And I have a question for you all. I do a lot of different stuff. Make a comment down below. The video, and what I'm going to try to do with this repair project that's coming up is step by step it through the whole thing if you guys are interested. Based on what I'm seeing on all my previous videos, the welding videos do the best, and of course if there's Ponzi in it, that all seems to be my best stuff out there that's getting the most watches. So as this project comes up, it's going to be a long process. You'll see in a minute when I show the rest of the video what's coming up. So yeah, give me a comment below and see what I want to know what you guys all think. I haven't never asked what you want for videos. I guess sometimes I just do what I do, so it doesn't matter. But in some respects, maybe it does. I want the views and whatnot. So yeah, just leave me a comment below, and then as of today, I'm damn near at 900 subscribers and trying to get 1,000. Hint, hint. Yeah, so just watch the rest of this video, and you'll see about this machine that's broke in half. And I'm going to get to make the repair. I think I find out tomorrow for certain, and by the time this video gets out, we'll all know if I got it or not. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody and what they do, and I like the little music video I did the other day. I try to do that. You can't go over 10 seconds or you get copyrighted, so that's why it's chipmunked, and I don't know who says that always, but the chipmunk deal. But that was fun. That one was fun. So, alright. See y'all. Hey. Welcome to my next project. I'm going to step out of my truck here. It's cold out. And I'm going to show ya. Give you a little pre-story. I was sitting down here. I was down here at the mill, the local lumber mill, and talking to my buddy, the maintenance guy. I don't know what day of the week it was, and all of a sudden, hey, we got a problem out in the yard with the Timbco. So now this is an old Timbco, old 1999, maybe 98, I don't know. And you can maybe see it over my shoulder. It ain't supposed to look like that. I'm just going to get out and give you a little bit of a heads up, or what. I'm just going to show you a little bit what's going on. So we'll take a closer look. There was a lot of guys around that day. Now it's the weekend. I come back. I want to take a look for myself and see what we got going on here. Okay? Okay. Take a gander at how this thing looks. Oh, back up a little bit. He was just swinging a load onto the back bunk, I guess, and she went ka-down to the ground. So this, apparently, I'm kind of premature here, but apparently this task is going to be given to my shop, to me specifically. I'm going to do it. You can see if you look real close here. See all the rust here and all the virgin steel, nice shiny. That was what was holding it. It was even cracked in here. Holy cow. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to look at it that hard the other day, but you can see the crystallization of the steel. he was holding on by 1/8 of an inch there. So that's a good 1-inch wide weld is gone. It was holding on by about 1 inch there, just one spot. And she broke clean away. So I guess the manufacturers, the good guys that they are over at what's now Timbco, they're going to burn out that end plate. I guess I suggested to my maintenance buddy to call them up and see if they could get their drawings out, their old drawings from back then, you know, blueprints. Get them out and see if they can't make us that plate. And he said 2 to 3 weeks and they'll have it. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad they're going to do that for us. Let's look at this side here. Oh yeah, she's broke clean. So you know what I'll be up to in a couple of weeks. Interesting to say the least. How'd you like to have been the operator when that come down? And for all you out there, I think you're going to wonder, how are you going to get that thing? I got a plan. How are you going to get that thing back up in the air? I always got a plan. I got a plan. I got a plan. These particular units, not like a lot of forwards, don't have a lot of down pressure, especially older ones, but this thing does. So we can swing that boom off, leave that bung of wood in there, push down on it, and with any luck, we'll get a loader here, strap, chain, whatever, and we'll lift it up at the same time that the guy in the house pushes down to raise the cab up. Couple of chain binders or come-alongs and we'll bring her back together, and then I'll park my old service truck right here and do what we call scab it together with the weld for maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll take me an hour or 2 or 3, but we'll get her scabbed together and that way we'll be able to drive it onto a lowboy. So that's my plan. Alright, I'll bring you back when we start this project. Well, heck, I'll bring you back before that, but I just wanted to show you this project first, or whatever, just bring you another adventure in my life. Okay, talk to you later.